What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? I'm back with another value-packed daily video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made over $297.68 in one day with this brand new website that I have not talked about on my YouTube channel before, called payhip.com. We're going to be pairing this up with one or two other platforms. The best part about this, it literally takes maybe 10 to 30 minutes to set up, and this can actually run on autopilot. You don't need any fancy skills. We're not going to be coding any websites. We're not going to need hosting. We don't need to pay for ads. There's not a single dollar that needs to come out of your own pocket. I'm also going to give you access to free, high-selling digital products that you can use to earn from, such as ebooks, graphics, video courses, music, articles that you can all claim for yourself, whether you want to sell that, give it away, use it as marketing material, or whatever you want to do with. The platforms that I'm going to show you give you the right to go and claim all of these valuable information completely for free and do what you want with. This is going to be a full step-by-step training video, so I really suggest that you watch each and every step that I'm going to be explaining to you in today's video, because I do not want you to miss anything. I really want you to take action after this video to help you make money online. And like I said, you don't need to spend a single cent on this. All you need to do is take between 10 and 15 minutes out of your day by watching this video, and you'll be able to master this and copy and paste this done for you, built for you model. Without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time. Let's get straight into it and enjoy the video. Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur, coach and trader, documenting my journey on my Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. If you've been watching my channel for quite some time, or if you're new, my channel is mostly about affiliate marketing, how I make money online, building funnels, drop servicing businesses, email marketing, and various different traffic methods. Lately, full-time what I do off of YouTube is Forex and indice trading, which I've got an entire separate playlist on. What I want you to do is, if you want me to make more content and tutorials on how I trade the markets, I want you to comment down below, yes please. And if I get more than 50 comments on this video, I will definitely make sure to post more trading content in the week for you guys. But what I will do is I'll also leave my entire trading playlist down below that you guys can also get access to, which I recommend you go and click on and watch after this video. If you want to get a personal notification from me every time I upload my latest way that I use to make money online, make sure to go down below to this Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel and subscribe with the red notification bar on, so that I can send you a message every time I do so. But without further ado, let's not waste any time and dive straight into my PC. The first thing you need to do is learn how to go and get access to these free products, such as courses, ebooks, videos, music, and all sorts of license-free digital content that you can use to sell, market, give away, users upsells, or whatever you want to. Three of the main platforms that I'm going to show you where you can get access to this type of information are the following. Make sure to save them because they're really important for the strategy, and you can incorporate these websites and the products they have into many other ways to make money online. The first one is called plrassassin.com. If you come over to the free area over here, you will go and find tons of various different courses that you can go and download for free, sell, give away, and do what you want with. For example, there's an entire little ebook course over here that will teach you how to design your own effective sales page where you can sell your own digital products. There's another ebook on how you can create your own online unique brand, email marketing success, balancing keyword and content to rank on platforms like Google and YouTube, the marketing handshake, tactical money, and this goes all the way up to page 20. So you have endless different products to go and choose from. It even ends up over here on Being Less Stressed, which is a book that will probably teach you different meditation tricks and all sorts of ways to reduce your stress. So there's really topics about anything in any niche. So that's my personal favorite part about this. Secondly, my number one platform, idpl.com. If you've been watching my videos for some time, you'd have seen that this website pops up quite a couple of times. And I've honestly made a bucket of money on this website. This is honestly a gold mine just sitting on the internet that no one really knows how to utilize, which is what I'm going to show you how to utilize properly today to actually make money with. Again, if you come over to products on the top side over here and you come over to videos and you click on the videos tab, you'll find all sorts of video courses such as engaging presentation formula, how to create presentations that actually sell our product, how the list building profit kit video upgrade, which is an entire video course on how to build up a profitable email list, proven affiliate marketing concepts, quite self-explanatory, an affiliate marketing course, how to build webinars to sell products in your business, 3 ways to make money online with Arbitrage, making money with Amazon. So there are really courses and free information on anything on this website. This one was very interesting for me, the Snapchat crash course, really great course on how to actually go and market products and make money on Snapchat and building a brand on that side of things. And you can scroll through this website endlessly, and I can keep scrolling all the way down over here, and there are at least about 50 to 100 products on this first page, and it goes on and on and on. Thirdly, my second best alternative to this is buyqualityplr.com. If you come over to the menu tab over here and you come over to master resell rights videos, you can also find all sorts of video content. Some of these are paid. It's the only thing I don't like about this website. A lot of the same or similar stuff that you can get on buyqualityplr is free on idplr.com and PLR Assassin. But also, similar concept, you can find tons of excellent courses on this website. To conclude, go to any one of these websites such as buyqualityplr.com, idplr.com, or PLR Assassin. Go and click on any one of these products. Let's go and use Snapchat crash course. Go and click on the specific product. You'll see it will ask you to log in or sign up. So I'm going to go and log in on the top right over here with my existing account. Pretty simple, just your username, email, and password, and it will send you a verification email to your email address just to verify that your email does exist and belong to you. Once you've done that, it will give you your login details, which you type in over here. Once you've signed in, you'll be able to click on the download button, and this product will then download to your PC. As you can see, this product is about 126 megs, so it's not just short little video clips that you can find on YouTube. It's a properly formatted step-by-step course on how to actually master Snapchat and making money on Snapchat. Once this product is downloaded to your PC, it will look like this in zip format. Right click on it and click on WinRAR and click on extract here, and it will extract to your PC into a folder format where you can go and open up a cover, which you can use for marketing purposes on your sales page, and you've got your entire video marketing course over here, all the way from section 1 to 10, and then section 2 over here, which is also section 1 to 7. So this is a total of a 17 video course on how to go and master Snapchat, which is quite a lot of valuable content. And finally, the platform that's going to put all of this together for us, payhip.com, as you can see in the introduction and the title of this video. So this is a free website where you can go and list and sell your own digital downloads, courses, coaching programs, in all in one simple platform that is completely free. So we don't need to pay any monthly fee. There's no sign-up fees. This is a website that is actually completely free for lifetime. So I'm hoping you're putting 2 and 2 together. We've now got an entire done-for-you course, which we don't actually have to create. We don't have to take the time and the hours out of our own day and even come up with all of the ideas to record and put into our own course. We've saved hours and possibly even days of work by coming over to a free PLR website and downloading a course that already exists that people also don't know about. So once you've come over to payhip.com, click on Get Started for free on the top hand right of this website. All you need to do is click on enter your email, enter your password, and click on create an account. Once you've signed in, your dashboard is going to look like this, and it's got a simple step-by-step process for you here. Add your first product, set up your checkout, and customize your store design. So all of this is your own funnel, your own sales page, your own checkout system where you earn 100% of the profits. So instead of affiliate marketing where we only get between 30 and sometimes 50 or 80%, which is pretty much only half the money, here we are selling our own product and getting 100% for that. I would rather much have that than only earning of half the amount of what the product actually costs. So in order to go and set this up, go and click on the products tab on the top left hand side over here, and here you will see all your different products that you've added. Yours will most likely be blank as you haven't added a product yet, but this is one of the examples of the products I used called building a responsive mailing list, which where I got over 37 orders and $295 in sales, which is how I got the title of this video. So click on add new product on the top right hand side over here, click on digital product, click on upload product file and go and click on the zip course that we have just downloaded from IDPLR. For your product title, we can go and type here Snapchat crash course, make money sending snaps. You can go and set the price of your course. I recommend don't do anything more than $20. You don't want to go and overprice your course. I usually keep it under $10 to make it look cheap and affordable to get even more sales. So I'm going to go and use this at $8.99, and we can also go to product is on sale, and we can type here instead of 19 or let's go 49.99. This is a great marketing trick a lot of marketers use by advertising their product at $49 or $50, but they've marked it down all the way to $8, making it seem like an irresistible deal that is currently 80 to 90% off, which really attracts the buyer and kind of gives them the idea that I need to buy this now, otherwise I'm not going to get the same cheap price later on. It's a cool psychological trick that a lot of marketers use. So go and click on upload product or image and simply go and upload the cover image of this course. For the description, you can come back to IDPLR and go and copy this entire description. Like I said, all the information is here for you to go and copy and paste this model. So come back to payhip.com and go and paste your description. And over here, go and make sure visibility where everyone can see this product is checked. If you want to go and check advanced options, you don't have to check any of these. Just leave this as is. Finally, go and click on add product, and your product is ready to go and sell. You'll see you have your unique link over here, which you can go and copy. Go and paste this in a new tab. Your product page will look like this. You'll see over here, I just made an error on my price, so I need to go and change that around. I'm just going to come over to the products tab quickly, edit, and under the sales price, the actual price, we need to type $49.99, and the sales price, we need to do $8.99. It's the other way around. Go and click on save changes, and you can just go and refresh this over here. So you also need to go and connect your PayPal or your Stripe account. So actually just click on this link and it will default take you to the setup page. Just go and click on link PayPal account or PayPal or Stripe account, and you'll be able to accept payments straight through your payment gateway or your sales page over here, where people can then go and check out. So now that our sales page is complete, how to actually go and get sales from this? Really simple. Whenever something comes down to selling something, when it comes to getting traffic or building an audience or getting clients for your potential product, you need to go and think of trends. Think of what is causing a lot of hype in the world at the moment. So I'm going to go and use what is causing a lot of hype in the moment. That is short video platforms, TikTok, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. These are all platforms where you have the opportunity to go and get literally 100,000 views overnight with 0 followers. That is just the type of platforms TikTok and YouTube Shorts and Facebook Reels is, because if you post the right video, it can blow up your entire page, it can blow up your sales and blow up your long-term longevity to your business, because those followers will see all of your next videos, which will bring plenty of sales to come down the line. So I'm going to teach you how we can go and get content for these short video platforms that will get views and tractions, and some will even go viral without actually creating your own content, editing anything, recording anything. You don't need a mic, you don't need editing software. All of this is a done for you system that I'm just providing you in today's video. Now, as a content creator myself on these short video platforms with about 500,000 followers on both platforms combined, from my experience, the #1 platform to use at the moment is actually Facebook Reels. I've posted videos that I have on TikTok that have only gotten 10, 20,000 views, that I've reached nearly 1 million views. One video actually hit 1.2 million views on Facebook Reels. So I find the virality on Facebook Reels is much higher and much more volatile than that of TikTok. And my reason or conclusion why I think that is so is because Facebook Reels was launched and released just this year and is trying to compete with TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts by purposely pushing out Facebook Reels that video content creators post to grow the entire brand around Facebook Reels. So this makes it really easy for us. We can come over to TikTok, go and search up video content that is currently proven to go viral on TikTok and repost that on Facebook Reels, which is exactly how I've gotten my Facebook page to well over 44,000 followers in the first 3 months. So if you come over to TikTok, we need to go and search content that is relative to the course that we are selling. So let's go and search up marketing tips, go and click on enter. And over here, you'll see, let's just use any one of these. Let's use videos over here. Here's quite an interesting video that I found, which is called Genius Marketing Campaign by Pepsi. So if you go and click on this, this lady basically explains, I just lost it. This lady basically explains Pepsi's current genius marketing strategy. So this is a video we can go and use. So go and copy the link of this TikTok, open up another random page and just go and type in Google, TikTok download without watermark. It is very important that you download it without the watermark because you don't want Facebook to pick it up as a repost from TikTok, because then your video won't get pushed and you won't get a lot of views. The algorithm is an AI, but it is a very smart AI and it can pick up these kind of things. So go and click on download without watermark on this first website over here, and you can now see this is downloaded to my PC, and you can easily go and repost this on Facebook Reels. And then simply all you want to do is on the comment section of your video, go and type my number one recommended marketing program at the moment. Go and type colon, for example. Also make sure your spelling is corrected. Snapchat, how to make money online, marketing on Snapchat, and sending snaps. And then all you want to do is come over to payhip.com, just go and share or click on share of your product, your course, go and click on your link over here, copy this, come over to your Facebook Reel and just paste this link in the comment over here. And you want to leave this comment at the top of each and every video that you post on Facebook Reels, or you can include it in the caption of your videos like this. Now, doing this once or twice, hoping to go viral, is also not how it works. Otherwise, everybody would go viral. The secret to mastering platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and how to actually go viral and build an audience is consistency. That is every algorithm's favorite word. They look for content creators that are consistent in the way they post, because they're not just going to make anybody go viral. What I recommend you do is stick to some kind of schedule, whether you want to post daily, every second day, every third day. In the beginning, for at least the first month or two, post every single day. And don't even look at it. Just post every day and you'll see your page grow and blow up. And I mean, if you come over to TikTok, you will find thousands of videos that will give you content for years to come. So you really don't have to stress about running out of content ideas or anything like that. So if you come over to TikTok again and you search up marketing content or Snapchat content or affiliate marketing content, anything that's relative to the product you're selling, you'll see over here, this marketing campaign for the new movie Smile is wild. That's another great video that got 8.2 million views that you can repost onto Facebook and replicate that same virality. So this is very easy to do, and what I'm going to do is to help you out even more to really scale and grow at Facebook Reels is I'm going to give you my entire free course on YouTube of my best TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels video content with the best traffic methods, how to go viral, how to create your own content, how to master the algorithm. All the best videos I've compiled into one simple playlist for you guys. I'm going to leave on the screen over here, which is great and valuable information and knowledge that you can apply with this as well and monetize and make money off these platforms. So if you want to learn more about this and really scale into this full time and hopefully blow it up into a full-time career, make sure to click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.